scared of him.
Right now, Losman takes a drop on 2nd and 16. Open man, and Robert Royal was uncovered and steps in. And the Bills take the lead.
He went up the right seam, actually, and J.P. Losman does a super job with his eyes. And
this is 3rd down. Losman of the Bills needs 7. Throwing a catch. This is Josh Reed heading down inside the 5. He's heading in.
Did a great job. It was really a play that was designed exactly for that coverage. You saw Josh Reed actually hook up and face J.P. Losman. And we're coming with a blitz right here by the Dolphins.
All-out blitz, single coverage. Evans going for it. Touchdown, Buffalo.
A great recognition, great play by J.P. Losman, getting the ball up and letting his receiver have a chance. But the other part of that combination is a terrible play we're used to seeing out of them, and Buffalo's making him pay.
Extra point is up.